How are you? Fine, thanks, and you? What's your name? My name is Alex. What's your surname? My surname is Green. How old are you? I am 21 years old. Where are you from? I am from India. Where do you come from? I come from India. How long have you been learning English? I learned English for 2 years. Where do you live? I live in New York. What are your hobbies? I like reading and English. What do you like doing in free time? I like reading books in English. What's your job? I am a manager. Do you work or study? I worked. Where do you work? I work for myself. Do you like your job? Yeah, I really like it. Where do you study? I go to school. What subjects do you like? I like English. Do you have any brother or sister? Yes, I have 2 sisters. What are your plans for the future? I would like to get a good job. Do you have a car? Yes, I have. What are you interested in? I am interested in music. What are you keen on? I am keen on music and reading. What are you fond of? I am fond of sports. Do you speak English? I can speak English a bit. Can I help you? No, thanks. Would you like a cup of tea? Yeah, it would be great. Would you like something to eat? I would like to have a lunch. What time is it? It's 6 p.m. Could you tell me the time, please? Yes, it's 6 p.m. in afternoon. Have you ever been to America? Yes, I have been there 3 times. Why are you learning English? I need it. I have need it for my job. How do you learn English? I learn English by myself. What's the weather like today? It's hot and sunny. Thank you for watching.